Hello and welcome back to the channel.
Looking for something thrilling and out of the ordinary to do during the month of May?
Or just not sure where you should travel? We've got you covered.
Whether you're into high-speed races, quirky traditions, or world-class events, May has something for everyone.
Here are the top 5 must-see events happening in May that promise excitement and unforgettable memories.
Welcome to World Wanderers.
We're Alicia and Will.
Come wander the world with us. First up, the Chelsea Flower Show.
Taking place from May 20th to May 24th, this event takes place at the Royal Hospital Chelsea in London.
This prestigious event showcases cutting-edge garden designs and floral artistry from around the world.
The show also offers a range of dining options from your fine dining experiences to casual eateries and even pop-ups.
For a unique experience, consider the Chelsea Late event on Friday evening, which combines garden viewing with live music, street food, and entertainment.
For the general public, it's open May 22nd to 24th from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m.
Tickets start at £111 and you can book through the RHS official website.
The Royal Hospital Chelsea is easily accessible via public transit. Just take the Underground and get off at the Sloane Square station, which is a short walk from the venue.
Next, experience one of the UK's most eccentric traditions, the Cooper Hill cheese rolling and wake.
This is one of the ones that I definitely want to go check out at some point. This quirky event, participants chase like a 7 to 9 pound wheel of the double Gloucester cheese down a steep 200-yard slope of Cooper's Hill in Brockworth.
The first person to cross the finish line at the bottom wins the cheese.
The event features multiple races, including separate competitions for men and women.
This happens on Monday, May 26, 2025 in Gloucester, England, and starts at 12 p.m.
Admission is free for spectators and no tickets are required.
If you want to join in, there's no formal registration process or entry fee. Anyone brave enough to join just joins the race.
You do, however, need to be 18 years or older.
Beware, though, the steep and uneven terrain of Cooper's Hill makes the race inherently risky.
Injuries are common and there is no official medical provision on site, but I would say it's still worth it.
Yeah, the event attracts large crowds and local accommodations will fill up fast.
And arrive early to secure a good vantage point to watch it.
The hill is steep and can be muddy, so definitely wear appropriate footwear and be prepared for a wild time.
Our next May event takes us to Indianapolis in the USA for the Indy 500.
This year is the 109th Indianapolis 500, set for Sunday, May 25th, 2025 at the Indianapolis Motor Speedway.
Going to the Indy 500 is an adrenaline-packed experience where the roar of the engines and the speed of the cars creates an electric atmosphere.
The crowd energy is unmatched, with over 300,000 fans cheering, tailgating, and celebrating together.
From the pre-race festivities and the fighter jet flyovers to the often dramatic finishes, every moment is unforgettable and full of excitement.
Gates open at 6 a.m. and the race starts at 12:30 p.m.
General admission runs from $65 to $85 and are available at the Indianapolis Motor Speedway website.
Consider arriving early to enjoy the pre-race festivities and to secure a good spot.
If you're craving even more octane glamour, trade the Midwest for the Mediterranean. Head to the luxurious Monaco Grand Prix.
This is the crown jewel of Formula One, where world-class racing meets breathtaking coastal views and old-world elegance.
Watching the cars navigate tight corners through the streets of Monte Carlo is thrilling and uniquely intimate compared to any other circuit.
Plus, the entire weekend feels like a glamorous festival, complete with yacht parties, celebrity sightings, and an electric atmosphere you won't find anywhere else.
This year, it takes place on May 25th.
Ticket prices vary wildly by grandstand depending on seating and hospitality options and are available via the official Monaco Grand Prix website.
Accommodations in Monaco can be pricey, so consider staying in nearby cities like Nice and commuting via train.
Finally, don your finest attire and hat for the Kentucky Derby, taking place on Saturday, May 3rd at Churchill Downs in Louisville, Kentucky, USA.
Attending the Kentucky Derby is like stepping into a vibrant blend of Southern tradition, fashion, and thrilling horse racing excitement.
From the iconic mint juleps to the sea of extravagant hats and colorful outfits, it's as much a social spectacle as it is a sporting event.
The energy of the crowd during the most exciting 2 minutes in sports is absolutely unforgettable.
Gates open at 8 a.m., but the race doesn't start until approximately 6:45 p.m.
Ticket prices can be pretty steep, starting around $700 for the first turn seats, and grandstand seats start around $1,100.
Tickets can be purchased through the official Kentucky Derby website, and early arrival is recommended to enjoy the full day's festivities, including fashion shows and live music.
Well, there you have it.
From chasing cheese down a hill to sipping mint juleps at the races, May 2025 offers a plethora of unique experiences.
Let us know in the comments below if you've ever been to any of these events and have any tips.
Thanks so much for watching.
Don't forget to like and subscribe for more travel inspiration and event guides and to wander the world with us.
Safe travels.